At Indue, our goal is to work and keep you working. In this video, we display how to properly remove dairy brick. We pride our team on our 3 to 5 day turnkey turnaround. Do you have dairy brick in your facility that has bacteria harbor points, listeria problems, or chemicals leaching? What about bad grouting, water pooling areas, trip hazards? Indue can completely renovate your existing flooring system. First, we start by demolishing and removing the existing brick by jackhammering and other forms of manual removal to get down to a solid substrate. After the demo has been completed, we mechanically prep the surface and accurately slope the floor to your existing drains. We then install our Indue TF to match the current floor height while maintaining the sanitary slope. After the sloping material is properly troweled, our team installs our Indue Crete MT base coat. We then seal all wall-to-floor conjunctions and around the leg protrusions. Finally, our Indue UTC is installed and rolled over top as a lock coat.